Um, Hi guys, and today we're showing fidgets part 6. And yeah, first we have a jumbo pop tube. But it kind of got flattened. And actually, this is what you don't want to happen to your pop tube because you cannot even fix that. Maybe if you just next we have a star heart, and it's very pretty. And this one is like green mixed with blue and yellow mixed with it too. It's so pretty. Next we have a tie-dye black and blue controller fidget, and it's really quiet. And Lexi actually got this from a birthday party, but then she gave it to me. Next we have a slug, and it's rainbow, and I really like it. And it makes weird noises. Next we have this thing. Next we have a yo-yo. That got kind of broken. I can show you how this yo-yo works when I wrap this up. I don't know when this will wrap up because this thing is so long. So long, it's been, so long, it's been, so long. It basically you put your finger on it, and then you go down like this. But I don't really know how to use yo-yos. Why is this? This is not even a fidget. Next we have a flappy thing. Kind of like this one, but this one's more flappy. Next we have a red crab, and it's cute, and it's very quiet to pop, kind of. On this side it's kind of hard to pop, but on the other side it's very easy and satisfying. Kind of quiet, but we have a ghost puppet, and the texture is so soft and smooth. See, feel this. Wasn't that so soft and smooth? Yeah, I'm B. Stop asking if I'm actually B. Yes, I am. We have a pop pumpkin for Halloween. It's tie-dye, and it's green, white, and orange. And please subscribe. Please, I'm watching you. Why am I blinking so much? Have you subscribed? let me know in the comments. And comment what I want, what you want me to do next. Let us reach 1 million likes and subscribers because I only have like 1 like or 2 on any of my videos. So please let me get to 1 million and let me get the YouTube play button. Next we have a big humongous robot pop it. It's so satisfying to pop and these pops are so big and it can dance. It's walking around eating you.